So guys, first of all we will go to AWS console, select root user, then paste your email ID, then enter text and then enter your password. Now yeah, now AWS page will open. Now search IAM, then click on role, yeah, then click on create a role and then select as a default and default first, and then select Lambda and then click on next and then select S3 full access. Then CloudWatch full access. And then simple email service full access, like search ACS. You can select and click on next and then add role name and then create a role. Now so our role is created. Now search S3 and then click on create bucket and add name and other or default and then click on create a bucket, like add a name and then all default, no any changes, and then click on create a bucket. So a bucket is created. Now go to Lambda service, so search Lambda and click on create a function. So click on create a function. So firstly add function name, and select Python 3 as a runtime. After we will check on change default execution role, and then from the select existing role and then select your IAM role and then click on create a function. Now click on add trigger, select search S3 and then select your bucket. All are default, all others default, like a check I acknowledge, check I acknowledge, and then click on add. So our trigger is done. Now click on like a search ACS, simple email service. So left side in configuration section identity is there, so click on identities and then click on create identity, select email address, paste your email, which one you put, then create identity. So our identity is created. Now go to your Gmail, some email is there, so firstly click on link and then verify your Gmail. So congratulations message is showing. Now go to AWS console and then refresh it. So our email is verified. Now go to Lambda, click on like a function and then code, scroll down and then seeing scroll like a code, some wait, like a few seconds. So paste your code in description. I'm also put in my description, so can copy and then paste this code and change both email address, like source email, source email address and destination email address. Change with your currently just a few seconds. If you like a few seconds ago you verified email, paste here in both place, and then click on deploy. Like yeah, done. Firstly check correctly. Then click on deploy. So our update successfully update function. Now click on test. Add your test name, like add your event name, and then click on save. So our event is uh, fully completed. Now go to S3. Select your bucket. And then click on upload, like in right corner, and then choose add file and select any file, which one you can choose. Now click on upload. So the file is uploaded successfully. Now go to your Gmail. So see, my file is completely successfully uploaded. Now go to your Gmail, then refresh. If Gmail is not showing, go to your spam and see. Yeah, sure, see. So Gmail is completely given me in my account. So thank you.